Good morning, everyone. I am fighter maker Sekar Chauhan. My YouTube channel Sekar Firefighter. Please watch, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel and my videos. I will share fire and safety videos. Today I will share very important fire and safety video. What is fire? Classification of fire and fire control method. What is fire? Fire is a chemical reaction that made of three elements: fuel, oxygen, and heat, which produce smoke, heat, flame, gas, and sound, and toxic gases. Oxygen already available in our environment, 21%, and 16% oxygen required for fire. Oxygen already available in our environment, 21%, 5% extra, and fuel already available in our environment, three types. There are three types of fuel: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Solid: wooden, paper, plastic, and cotton. Liquid: petrol, diesel, alcohol, kerosene, ghee, and paint. Liquid and gases: LPG, PNG, CNG, and other gases. Fire required for burn in ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? Every fuel that is a minimum temperature which burn in continuously for fire. This is a ignition temperature. And classification of fire: as per Indian standard, as per UK standard, 5 types of fire. A class: solid fire. Solid fire: wooden, paper, plastic, and cotton. A class fire: best extinguishing media, water. Water is a best extinguishing media. A class fire: water is a more advantage. Water is a eco-friendly. Water is a easily available in our environment. Water is a not costly. Water is a extinguished to fire 100% cooling method. Water make a throw. Water more advantage. Water is a best extinguishing media. A class solid fire. Maximum time fire service used in water. Every firefighters. B class: liquid fire. Liquid fire: petrol, diesel, alcohol, kerosene, ghee, and paint. B class fire: don't use water. B class fire: don't use water. Water density heavier than liquid. Water heavier than liquid. And B class fire use best extinguishing media, foam. What is foam? Foam is a air water bubbles. Air water bubble, not a strong. B class firefighting: strong bubble required. Strong bubbles. Strong bubbles make a use chemicals in fire service nowadays. AFFF, aqueous film forming foam compound. And C class gases fire: LPG, PNG, CNG, and other gases. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. LPG gas heavier than air. LPG gas leakage time: don't use ignition temperature, and don't on off electrical switchboard, that time spark and burn to fire. And PNG and CNG. PNG and CNG gas: methane, CH4. Methane gas lighter than air. Leakaging time: open the door and windows, then mix our environment. C class gaseous fire, best extinguishing media, dry chemical powder. ABC type, A class solid fire, B class liquid fire, C class gaseous fire, best extinguishing media, monoammonium phosphate, MAP. Then D class metal fire, highly flammable metals. Highly flammable metals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, chloride, potassium, titanium, helium. This fire temperature 2000 degree Celsius, 3000 degree Celsius, 4000 degree Celsius. D class fire, best extinguishing media, TEC, ternary eutectic chloride. D class fire, don't use water. Water indivisible temperature 1650 degree Celsius, 3000 Fahrenheit, and this fire temperature 2000 degree Celsius. Water break in 3000 Fahrenheit. Above the 3000 temperature, break in two parts. Water formula H2O. Water atoms divided to hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen highly flammable and oxygen burned to fire. That time don't use water. Metal fire. Metal fire, best extinguishing media, TC powder, ternary eutectic chloride powder. Next, electric fire. Electric fire, immediate, break the electric supply, cut up to electric supply, and as per fuel required to media. Solid fuel used to water, liquid fuel used to foam, gaseous fuel used to DCP powder, metal fuel used to TC powder, and important record room into important documents and electronics item, computer switchboard. Best extinguishing media, CO2. And F class, kitchen fire, cooking oiling fire. F class fire, kitchen fire, best extinguishing media in wet chemical. Kitchen fire use wet chemical type fire extinguishers and extinguish to fire. Kitchen fire time used to fire blanket, don't waste foods, and extinguish to fire. There are 5 types of fire: A class solid fire, B class liquid fire, C class gaseous fire, D class metal fire. Electric fire not a class fire. F class kitchen fire, cooking oiling fire, and used to as per fuel, best extinguishing media. And there are 3 types of fire control method. Number 1, starvation. Remove the burning material. Second, smoothing method, remove the oxygen. Third, remove the temperature. There are 3 types of fire control method: starvation, smoothing, and cooling. 3 arms complete. We are speak a fire triangle in fire language. Fire triangle complete, then start fire. Fire triangle not complete, not fire. Any doubts, any question, please comment my inbox. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.